Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to use the Discord soundboard inside your mobile device. If you find this video useful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into it. Alright, open up the Discord app on your mobile device. And now for this demonstration, I'm going to use my own channel here. I'm going to click on this. And now from here, I'm going to enter in one of my voice channels, which is general. Now I'm going to click on join voice. Once you've done that, tap on the little Discord icon and swipe up, bring up more options like so. And now here, if I do this again, swipe up again, and then you've got an option called Soundboard. Go ahead and click into Soundboard. And where it says server, so my server, I've got one sound inside my soundboard at the moment, and you've got all these Discord sounds you can use. So if I tap on this sound here, as you can see, it's in use. So yeah, that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching.